comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Yeah, I know about the reggae now.
You know about reggae?
Yes, and then no.
Nice, they are nasty, they are beautiful. And in common wanajua kutoa.
So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia here. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support my videos, support your beautiful girl here. Yeah, I know you have missed me for the last 2 days. I know I have not posted any video, but I'm back. I was not feeling well, but I'm okay and I'm back. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, can you subscribe? So, and again, I'm back in the street of Nairobi, Isili. Of course, the food are so busy, interaction, confusion. Anyway, I'm back in the street, so let's explore the streets together as we interact with people and know what has been happening while I was away.
Barakallahu fikum. Gabadhaas iyo sheekhan muraadkiina Allah u sahlo, waalidiintiina Allah gaarsiiyo, awlaadkaana Allah siiyo, sheekhan muraadkiisa Allah u sahlo, waalidiintiisana Allah gaarsiiyo, awlaadkaana Allah siiyo.
How are you? Your name? Peter Wanyama. Peter Wanyama, how are you?
Yeah?
How are you?
I'm fine.
My name is Claudia Walks on YouTube.
Me, I don't know Swahili. I don't know Kiingereza.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, mimi kwa majina naitwa Claudia pale kwa YouTube kwa mtandao. Swali moja. Nini nakujanga kwa akili yako kusikia jina Jamaica?
Inanifutianga.
Ukisikia jina Jamaica, nini inakujanga kwa akili yako? Guys, I'm trying to ask him what comes into his mind when he hears the word Jamaica. Sini country.
Jamaica nasikia ni sawa.
Jamaica is okay.
Jamaica nasikia sawa. Ni kama kunakuja kuwa kama Isili.
Oh, Jamaica is becoming another Isili. I don't know why, but let me know if you are watching from Jamaica.
Jamaica nasikia kila mtu ako na pesa.
Jamaica has got a lot of money.
Naona Isili.
Sawa sawa, ambia mafans wangu pale kitu.
Sasa inasema hivi, kama Jamaica kuko hivyo, kwa nini Kenya isifanane na Jamaica?
Oh, if Jamaica is like that, where can this country, Kenya, can be like Jamaica?
Yes.
Let us know and let's keep on working on the street as we know what people know about Jamaica. So, asante sana. Wow. People are shopping around here. Today I'm in one of the busy streets here in Isili. So you will bear with me because the street is so congested. You can see.
Again.
Oh, asante. Wasalimie.
Sasa mimi naitwa Eric West. Mkoaje? Mna subscribe to my YouTube channel. Napenda sana watu. Huku mtanipenda. Unaitwa?
Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks. Unakaa kwa media?
Mimi ni maimta.
Anyway, hi. Kwa Claudia, mdogo naitwa Eric West. Ili mtaa yetu ya Isili. Hapa tuko. Subscribe to my YouTube channel naitwa Eric West. love you guys.
Okay, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica. Ganj.
What is gaji? Maybe there are some people who don't know what is gaji.
Ganj. Sasa nitawaelezea aje. Unajua it's like a wheel.
Tumia hii tafuta.
Yeah, inalingana na description ya mtu vile yako. Either you are familiar with it or not. Yeah.
Talk about Jamaican girls.
Jamaican girls.
Girls, ama women.
No,
in
Jamaican
general.
girls. Their look, their what?
Yeah, in general.
Oh, in general, you can say Jamaican girls are nice, they are nasty, they are beautiful. And in common, wanajua kutwaka.
So guys, if you're a lady and you're watching from Jamaica, you can record a video talking for us. Because
Yes, actually, you can record a video talking for us. I like Nyash, actually, a big Nyash.
Haya, sawa sawa.
Asante Claudia.
Haya. Yes guys, you have heard from him, so let's keep on walking around. Oh, Pity sana brother, were you?
I'm fine.
You are selling these, what do you call these? Belts, eh?
Belts.
What's your name?
My name?
Mhm.
Ole Sakuda.
Ola sa?
Ole Sakuda.
Oh, hiyo ni jina ya wapi?
Majina ya Masai.
Majina ya Masai, guys. Finally, a
Masai.
Masai guy from
Where are you?
here in
What's your
Italy.
name?
I'm Claudia, work pale kwa YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, unajua hii country inaitwa Jamaica?
Oh, Jamaica.
Yeah. Nini unajua kuhusu? I'm trying to ask him if he knows this country known as Jamaica and what he knows about it. Nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica?
Jamaica? Sijui kwa undani zaidi.
Tuambie tu chenye unajua in general.
Hiyo sijui kwa kweli. Ninge explain lakini sijui vile.
Ujui vile? Haya, sawa sawa, asante. Tuko pale kwa mtandao Claudia Works,
Okay.
Sawa sawa. Hi bro.
So you have to dedicate us ni mtandao.
Naweka kwa mtandao. Haya, asante. Okay. So guys, let's keep on working. We interact with more and more people from this beautiful street. Okay. I know it's been a while, guys. I know I've been to Italy, but this street, I fear this street actually because it's a busy street. But finally, I've got the courage to face it. You can see how busy it is. And guys, today I'm just walking slowly. Today I'm not in a hurry because yes, I have to do this thing for you and I can miss you a lot. So as you are enjoying the video, kindly subscribe. If you are watching without subscribing, support your girls here. 25,000 subscribers. Hi. 5,000 subscribers, guys. 80% of you are watching my videos, they are not subscribing, and it's free. And guys, I'm doing this thing for you. Hi, how are you? What's your name?
My name is Kevin.
Kevin, what do you normally do here in Italy?
Here. I'm hustling.
You are hustling?
Yes.
Okay, what comes into your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Yeah.
Jamaica.
Jamaica. I think it's a city where people sing mostly reggae songs.
Reggae songs, eh? So Jamaica is well, you know Jamaica because of reggae songs.
And maybe for the weed.
For the weed, eh?
Yes.
Can you sing for us one reggae song? Utuonyeshe kidogo tu.
I was once a fan of secular, now I'm a person who is a Christian.
You are a Christian?
Yeah, okay, I was saved. So I don't sing secular songs.
Okay.
I normally sing gospel songs.
Can you sing for us one gospel song?
One gospel song?
Only one line, eh?
You have done me well. You have done me well. You have done me well, Jesus. You have done me well. You have done me well. You have done me well, Jesus.
Guys, this guy has got a nice voice. Hey, I think we should support him. Eh? Do you normally record your songs?
No.
Well, you should start. You should start. Claudia Works is here to support you. Sawa?
Yes.
Pale kwa YouTube naitwa Claudia Works. You can check me out and subscribe.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So guys, that is it. Guys, that guy knows how to sing. Even me, I don't know how to sing. I don't have that voice. Boy, they have got hidden talent. Look at this street, how busy it is, guys. Eh? Look, look how busy it is. Yeah, guys. As you enjoyed this video, continue subscribing to Claudia Works. Very beautiful and busy streets. So guys, I think I should hold my camera calm because I don't trust these streets. So let's go. Salama sana bro, how are you? Niko fiti. Oh.
Can I see also? This is a Moda guy.
Yeah.
From Sili area.
You're pale kwa Claudia Works, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Come.
You'll come.
Yes, I must come.
You must come.
Yes.
Now, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
I know about the reggae now.
You know about reggae?
Yes, and then
Uh-huh.
no.
Guys, this is so crazy. You know about the reggae? Can you sing?
And then
Uh-huh. Can you sing for us one reggae song? Eh? Can you? Eh?
Stealing, stealing, stealing,
Yay.
stealing in the name of the Lord.
Talk of Jamaican girls.
Oh, about the Jamaican girls are very beautiful,
Uh-huh.
loving,
Uh-huh.
and for show them so much social.
Uh-huh.
In fact, I love Jamaican girls.
Have you ever interacted with one woman from Jamaica?
No, I've never, but I always pray that one of these fine days
Uh-huh.
I find you one. So
You find one? Are you single or married?
I'm married,
Uh-huh.
though I'm single in Nairobi.
Yes.
What's up?
Guys, wait, this guy is single here in town, but back in the village he is married.
No, not in my
Yeah. Kikenje. Bogi mamade.
How is the name of the YouTube channel?
Claudia Works.
What?
Claudia Works. Claudia Works.
Oh, Claudia Works.
Eh.
Are you from where? Uganda?
Me, I'm from Kenya. I'm from Kenya, man. Kenya, man.
Let me see your content.
Okay, you can see my content, eh?
Yes. Claudia what?
Walk, ile ya kutembea.
Oh, Claudia walk.
Eh? Let's go kwa Isili. Haya, back to you. You were talking about Jamaican ladies, women.
Yes.
Uh-huh. They are good, eh?
Yes, they're good. They're beautiful.
Okay, you want a second wife from Jamaica?
No, I don't know. Yes, if I can get, we can just have to interact, but not marrying, by the way, you know, depending on the economy. Cannot have more than 2 wives, you know. Yeah.
Here in Kenya, what if you are given a chance to relocate to Jamaica?
In fact, I should get a Jamaican lady. That's a very beautiful lady for sure.
This is crazy, man.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all I want to know about Jamaica.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Check me out on YouTube. Claudia Walks. Make sure you subscribe. We love these streets and we have to explore, man. Hello. Back to you. Ako happy? Okay, tuko kwako. What's your name?
Stano anaitwa DJ Stano.
You are a DJ?
Yes.
What do you normally do? What do you normally do in that DJ thing?
Not reggae.
Not reggae?
Yeah.
What do you normally do?
Hii yangu itakuwa noma.
Itakuwa noma? Hebu tuimbie karege kamoja.
Stano kazi. Ndio huyo hapa.
Haya, sawa.
Kwani yoga mimi nasikiza ama inaongea?
Unasikiza kama inaongea? Aiongea, itaongea tu ukiona pale kwa YouTube, eh?
YouTube ya nani?
Ya Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks. Ni mimi. Sawa. Nini nakukujanga kwa akili yako ukisikia the word Jamaica?
Mimi sijui hizo nini.
Ujui Jamaica?
Mimi najua tu Kenya. Jamaica ni nini?
Jamaica ujui? Haya, sawa guys. That is it. Let's keep on working as we explore this.
Sasa unamwambia kuja na ski.
Tree.
No, you have gone.
Yes, I've gone. I'm Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks.
Yeah.
You're a Kenyan.
Yeah, I'm a Kenyan. I love this beautiful street. Yeah.
You really love this beautiful man like us.
Yes, you're so cute, man.
I know, I'm very beautiful. I love beautiful guys.
Unataka kutoa form? Niaje bro? Unaitwa nani?
Roba.
Yeah?
Roba.
What do you normally do here in Italy?
I'm a boda rider.
What comes in your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica? Hapo ni madom.
Nini ingine?
Reggae zimetoka huko sasa.
Oh, reggae. Unapenda reggae? Hebu tuimbie reggae moja.
Sasa inafikiria sana. Nikianza kurudi ngoma saa hii.
Tuanzeshe tu kidogo tu.
Hata niache kuimba saa hii. Acha kwanza niende kazi.
So guys, let's keep on walking. The streets are getting so busy. I don't know where to go because I'm in a roundabout. So I think I should go on that side because it's a bit, I don't know whether it's safe, but I'll try my best.
Lazima unaenda kutoa fomu ya leo.
Lazima tembee. Kuja kupiga maraundi. He's trying to say that I'm cute.
Yeah, cute. Very smart. Very hot.
Yeah.
Hadi nimekukrashia mama.
Really? Guys, I'm getting, this guy has got crush on me and we have just met for the first time, man.
Guys.
These streets are so crazy, guys. We normally expect anything in this street. I'm just standing here waiting for... Okay, now I think we can. I think guys we can go. Look at these beautiful Somali ladies over there. Hapana, kuna watu hawapendi
Anadai pia.
anadai? Anasema hapana.
Wewe. Hakubuni. Watu wanaonekana kwa mtandao jamani, mbona wanaonekana? Tena zile kwa sababu.
So guys, I think it's the right time we should go on the other side. Oh. Now we cross. Look at this guy's following me. Vipi bro.
Leo ni gani, leo kali.
Unataka ingine kali? Hebu tuendeshe hapa kasonga moja.
Song gani baya?
Yaani reggae song.
Reggae song. Reggae song. Mimi si mrasta vile lakini.
Wewe si mrasta vile lakini unaweza tuonjesha men.
Naweza sema nini? Naweza sema one love.
One love. One love. Imba.
Imba gani? Toka jamii si fan wa reggae lakini mimi napenda muziki zote.
Lakini unapenda Jamaica?
Jamaica ni kwetu, huko ndo nyumbani.
Oh, Jamaica is home, man. Nini nafanya upende Jamaica? Creativity.
Talent. Watu ni wajanja.
Watu ni wajanja.
Hata kama wanakula makushumpeng lakini ni wajanja.
Wajanja.
Niko poa lakini.
Niko fiti. Haya sawa, asante. Haya. Poa. Hey. Unataka nikuje? There are some boda guys who are trying to call me on the other side. Nakuja. So that guy is trying to call me, but I don't want to go back there. No, these are boda guys and I don't know whether the streets are so safe. I don't want to interact more with them. Anyway, we have to accept. Pipi, come. Kwa barabara. Karibia hapa men. Nitagongewa hapo kuja hapa. Wewe ni mrasta? Man, hebu tuone. Karibia hapa kidogo. So guys, I met this Rastafarian. I don't know whether I pronounced it well, but guys, what do you love about Jamaica? All what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica? Na wewe ni Rastafari, tuambie nini? Ambia mafansi wangu wa Jamaica kitu pale.
Wabasi wangu wa Jamaica. Mimi nawaambia tukipatane tembo ya Warasta, endelee tutakufanya vile tunafanyanga.
Sawa.
Kawaida tu.
Waambie wa subscribe to Claudia Walk. Ama waambie wa subscribe kwa channel ya huyu mrembo.
Wafanye hivyo kwa huyo mrembo.
Sawa, asante. Guys, I'm just stranded here because the streets are so busy. Look. Look. Kuja nikuchukue. Yes. Sema hi.
Hi, Kenya.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Kuna ningora madam. Which TV?
Claudia works pale kwa YouTube.
Sorry?
Claudia works on YouTube.
On YouTube.
Yeah. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Reggae.
Yeah. Can you sing for us one reggae song?
One love.
Hey. Continue, tuendelee.
One love. Yeah, together be your life.
Wote nikaribia ndio sauti zingine. Tuanze tena. One love.
One love. One love. Let's get together be your life.
Oh, much love Jamaicans.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much guys. Ombeni mafans wangu kitu.
Kabisa.
Tunawapenda sana. Unapenda sana? Oh, wasalimia.
One hiyo
Wagote sana. Sawa. TV gani? Claudia works on YouTube, eh? YouTube. YouTube Claudia works. Haya, poa. Vipi? Niko hapa. Gari hazitaki kuenda. Unataka kuonekana? Waambie kitu. Nini na kukujanga kwa akili yako ukisikia word Jamaica?
Word Jamaica. Bangi na reggae.
Bangi na reggae. Nini ingine?
Hiyo ni labda kisport.
Oh. Sawa sawa, ambia unawapenda.
Nawapenda tena sana.
Sawa sawa. Haya, tuko pale kwa Claudia Works.
Claudia Works.
People want to be seen on camera here in Eastleigh, Nairobi, Kenya. Oh. So we go now. Hi. So I think we should cross now. Woo! I'm just here, stranded. Want to go to the other side, but I can't go. Oh, finally. Let's struggle. Let's struggle. Let's struggle. Oh, finally, guys. This is how the Fiji. Hey, niaje? Unakaa vizuri? Wasalimie.
Niko poa, niko busy. Habari zenu? How are you?
Fine, thank you. So guys, well, this street is just a vibe. This street, I think, is just a vibe. People are just greeting me anyhowly and I'm happy. The sun is too hot, guys. Hey. Salimia kidogo. Sema hi. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed my video. Yeah, and if you have not subscribed, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel, road to 5,000 subscribers. So Claudia Works, those are watching for the first time, welcome, and make sure you subscribe too. Tell a friend to subscribe. And guys, the sun is too hot, and I think I should quit this bridge because there is too much sun here. Yeah, so see you in the next one. Bye bye.